In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer a domain to Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information you need, and how to smoothly move your domain registration over without getting lost in the interface. Let's start from your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're logged in and looking at your main account view, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is where Cloudflare groups all of its major features, and it's where you'll find the tools you need for managing your domains and registrations. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Domain Registration. Go ahead and click on that. When that opens, you'll see an option called Transfer Domains. Select Transfer Domains to move into the area dedicated to bringing your existing domains over to Cloudflare as a registrar. After you click Transfer Domains, Cloudflare will automatically scan your account and show you a list of domains that are already active in Cloudflare and that are also eligible to be transferred. This is important. Only domains that are using Cloudflare's services and meet certain criteria, like being unlocked at your current registrar and not being too new or too recently transferred, will appear here as eligible. Take a moment to review this list carefully. You may see several domains here or just one, depending on what you've already set up with Cloudflare. Each domain in this list is one that Cloudflare has detected as ready or almost ready to be moved from your current registrar over to Cloudflare's own registration system. Now choose the domain or domains you want to move. You can usually select them with a simple click on the checkbox or the row for each domain. If you only want to transfer one domain, just select that one. If you plan to consolidate several domains at once, you can pick multiple domains in this step. Once you've made your selection and you're sure you've picked the correct domain or domains, look for the button that says Confirm Domains and click it. This action is your way of telling Cloudflare, yes, these are the domains I actually want to transfer and I'm ready to move forward. After you confirm your domains, the next key piece of information you'll need is the authorization code, often called the auth code or EPP code. This code is generated by your current domain registrar, not by Cloudflare, and it works like a one-time password that authorizes the transfer. Before you continue within Cloudflare, go to your existing registrar's dashboard in a separate tab and request or copy the auth code for each domain you're transferring. Different registrars place this option in different parts of their interface, but it's usually within the domain settings, security, or transfer section. Make sure the domain is unlocked and that any transfer lock is disabled so the auth code will work properly. Once you have that auth code from your current registrar, return to the Cloudflare transfer flow and add the auth code when prompted. Carefully paste or type it in to avoid any typos. This step tells Cloudflare that you're authorized to move the domain and allows them to initiate the transfer process on your behalf. From there, Cloudflare will handle the rest of the transfer using the domains you confirmed and the auth code you added.